Hello friends, welcome to my channel Foody Fanclub. Today I am going to make Rösti, and Rösti is a famous potato dish from Switzerland, as well as it's mainly eaten in German speaking regions. So let's start making Röstis. Rösti is made with a grated potato, either cooked or raw. Here I am using raw potato, butter, salt, rice flour, water, black pepper and oil. Now take 1 bowl of water and add 1 tablespoon of salt into it. Now I am gonna grate the peeled potato with the help of grater. It's done. So add the grated potato into a salted water bowl and wash it properly like this. Now it's time to squeeze all the water out of it. So I am going to squeeze all the water out of it with the help of my hands. If you really want to make this recipe by yourself, then watch this video carefully. Now take a paper napkin or a cotton napkin, it's up to your choice. Now place all the grated potato into a paper napkin so extra water can be soaked by napkin. And tap it like this. Make sure grated potato should be as dry as possible before it fried to get a real taste. As well as consistency and size of grated potato should be like this. Now I am gonna add a 1.5 tablespoon of rice flour. I have made this rice flour at home. Just crush the rice with the help of your grinder and it's done. Black pepper. Here I am using around half tablespoon of black pepper for a 2 big size of potatoes. 1 tablespoon of oil and give it really good mix. Now I am going to take sufficient mixture into another bowl for one time frying. Keep note, do not add salt earlier, otherwise you didn't get a crispy texture. So add it just before fry. Now it's time to fry, so I'm going to add a little salt into it and mix it really well. Now our pan is hot enough, so I am going to add butter into it and brush it. You can also use oil here, it's almost 1 tablespoon of butter. Pour the mixture into a pan. And spread it evenly with the help of spoon or a spatula. Press it like this. So fry it on a medium to high heat. Please do not hurry, it's take time to fry. First need to fry it for 5 to 6 minutes on a medium to high heat. There are many variations of roasties. Various roasties use a bacon, onion or a cheese. And you can see the color of our roasties change a little bit, so flip it up and be careful. If your roastie did not cook well from the bottom side, it will be cracked. It's also take a 5 to 6 minutes to cook one side. Generally any dry ingredients you can use, but it should be grated and as dry as possible before fried. Okay, now it's golden brown from both sides. Okay, now it's done and it's time to serve. If you have not a pan like this, you can also use a dosa pan or any other non-stick pan here and make it like this. This time I am going to make this roasty with the oil, so I am going to brush the oil here and pour the mixture with the help of spoon and spread it like this. It should be thick around 1 centimeter and cook it until golden brown. At a time I am going to press all the rosti with the help of spatula like this. At this stage I am going to sprinkle little black pepper on the top of my roasties. It's also take a 5 to 6 minutes to cook one side, so do not hurry, otherwise it can be break down during flip it up. Now it looks really nice golden brown and crispy, so it's time to flip it up. Okay, now our roasties are ready and I'm going to serve this. Okay, so there is a many ways to serve roasties, but normally I prefer serve with the tomato ketchup, so I am going to serve with it. Try this recipe and share your experience in the comments below. If you really like my recipe, then do not forget to like and share with your friends, as well as subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get a new video updates. Thank you.